Welcome back, fellow hustlers. Today, we've got a juicy opportunity that you won't want to miss out on. Yes, you read that right. We're talking about making money just by watching video ads. And no, this isn't some clickbait scam or a waste of your time. In fact, you could be earning up to $57 in just 5 minutes. And the best part is, you can do it over and over again. But how is this possible, you may ask? Well, we've done the research and we're ready to spill the beans. We'll be sharing with you the exact steps you need to take in order to start earning some serious cash. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to learn how you can turn your free time into money in the bank. Let's dive in. AddyClicks.net is an online platform that allows entrepreneurs to promote their businesses by creating and displaying ads to a wide audience. The platform uses a pay-per-click model, which means that businesses only pay for the ad when someone clicks on it. This makes it a cost-effective way for businesses to advertise, as they only pay for results. Additionally, the platform offers a range of targeting options, allowing businesses to tailor their ads to specific demographics or interest, which can increase the likelihood of a click and ultimately a sale. The website offers a wide range of tools and resources to help businesses optimize their advertising campaigns and get the most out of their investment. One of the most valuable features is its detailed analytics and reporting. The platform provides businesses with real-time data on their campaigns, including impressions, clicks, conversions, and more. This allows businesses to track the performance of their ads and make data-driven decisions to improve their campaigns. AddyClicks.net also offers A/B testing capabilities. With A/B testing, businesses can test different ad formats, messaging, and other variables to see what works best with their target audience. This can help businesses optimize their campaigns for maximum effectiveness and ROI. Another key resource offered by AddyClicks.net is its customer support. The platform offers 24/7 support to its users, ensuring that any issues or questions are quickly addressed. This can be especially valuable for businesses that are new to online advertising and may need guidance or assistance navigating the platform. They also provide a range of targeting options to help businesses reach their ideal audience. Businesses can target users based on demographics such as age, gender, and location, as well as interests and behaviors. This can help businesses ensure that their ads are being shown to the right people, increasing the likelihood of a click and ultimately a sale. AddyClicks referral program is a unique feature that sets it apart from other advertising platforms. The program allows users to earn money by referring other businesses to the platform. When a referred business signs up for AddyClicks and spends a certain amount on advertising, the referring user earns a commission. This can be a valuable source of income for users, and it also incentivizes them to spread the word about AddyClicks to their colleagues and contacts. One of the key benefits of AddyClicks.net's referral program is that it allows users to earn money without having to do additional work. By simply sharing their referral link with others, users can earn commissions on the advertising spend of the businesses they refer. This can be especially valuable for users who have a large network of contacts or who work in industries where online advertising is common. The referral program also benefits AddyClicks.net by helping to grow its user base. By incentivizing users to refer other businesses to the platform, AddyClicks.net can expand its reach and attract new customers. This can help the platform to continue to offer competitive pricing and high-quality services to its users. Another benefit of the referral program is that it can help businesses to save money on their advertising cost. By referring other businesses to the platform, users can earn commissions that can be used to pay for their own advertising campaigns. This can help businesses to stretch their advertising budgets further and achieve better results from their campaigns. Now that we've thoroughly gone through the ins and outs of AddyClicks, here's how you can earn that sweet dough. You have the opportunity to earn additional income through various online activities. These include playing games, taking surveys, referring friends, and participating in contests. Nonetheless, I suggest focusing on visiting websites as a way to earn money. By simply clicking on different advertisements on various websites, you can earn real cash. This website is very transparent about their profits and provides information on daily and weekly payouts. Currently, there are around 43,000 registered users on the site. The website even shares the names and payment information of those who have made withdrawals in the past 25 days. You have many payment options to choose from, including PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, Paytm, AirTM, cryptocurrency, Neteller, and Perfect Money. These payment methods are available worldwide, and many people from different countries have already cashed out their earnings, as shown by the flags next to their usernames. Anyone can earn money by clicking on advertisements on this website without any prior knowledge or experience. The total amount paid can be viewed on the site. By signing up for a free account through the provided button, you can potentially earn hundreds of thousands of dollars on this platform. To create an account, you'll need to visit the registration page and provide your full name, email address, a username, and a password of your choice. Additionally, you'll need to enter your birth date and birthplace and confirm that you've understand and agreed to the terms of service by clicking on the I'm not a robot button. Once you've completed all the required fields, simply click the register button to complete the process. Upon logging into your account, the first thing you'll notice is the leaderboard, which showcases the top earner. For instance, you can see the username, country, and total earnings of over $1,500. These individuals come from diverse countries and can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars annually by doing something that you can do too. Once you access your account, you'll find various ads available to click on, with banner ads being the most popular among them. You can repeatedly click on these banner ads to earn money, and you can do this on either your computer or mobile device. Clicking on any of these banner ads will take you to a random website where you need to stay for 30 seconds without clicking any buttons, registering, or making any purchases. It's crucial to avoid the mistake of not browsing further on the website after clicking on the banner ad, as this is the only way to earn money from these ads. Many people fail to do this and end up making no money from these ads. The alternate way to pay is by selecting the daily fixed ads option, which refers to the advertisements that you can click on and stay on for about 10 seconds to earn money. This particular approach is being adopted by many individuals to boost their earnings. Some evidence of their successful transactions is available on their online forum, including posts such as My 6th Payment, Payment Number 3, My Payment, and My 12th Payment. Clicking on any of these will take you to a page that shares all the outcomes, evidence, and evaluation methods. I have an exclusive idea to share that no one else has mentioned before. To increase your earnings, it is recommended that you complete at least 5 daily fixed ads per day. This will allow you to significantly increase your income and surpass others by tenfold. Upon completing the required 5 ads, the standard ads will become available to you and will pay 10 times as much. As promised, I will reveal a top bonus tip that no one else is talking about, which could potentially help you earn hundreds of thousands of dollars on this website. By looking at the leaderboard, you can see who the top earners are and how much they have earned, including their referral profits. Referral commissions account for over $1,000 of the $1,400 total earnings, which is key to understanding how the top earners achieve their high rankings on the leaderboard and make the most income by simply referring others to the website. To learn more about making money online, I suggest visiting dimeforum.com, a free forum where people discuss various aspects of earning money on the internet. Since the forum attracts many visitors looking for free information, there is a lot of activity and free traffic. When posting on the Dime forum, include your referral code to attract more referrals. You can direct targeted individuals who are interested in making money online to add clicks. Simply keep doing this to acquire lots of referrals on dimeforum.com. There you have it, folks. Making money just by watching video ads is no longer a pipe dream. By following the steps we've outlined, you could be well on your way to earning a substantial income. But remember, as with any money-making opportunity, it's important to approach it with caution and skepticism. Be sure to do your own research and only work with reputable companies that have a proven track record. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.